Zepto is a name that has quickly become synonymous with ultra-fast grocery delivery in India. Founded in 2021 by two Stanford dropouts, Adit Palicha and Cavalier Vora, Zepto has managed to disrupt the grocery delivery space by promising delivery within 10 minutes. The platform has gained immense popularity in a short span, targeting busy urban dwellers who value their time and convenience. The idea of Zepto was born during the COVID-19 pandemic when lockdowns and restrictions made grocery shopping a tedious task for many. Adit and Cavalier noticed a significant gap in the market. Existing delivery services often failed to deliver groceries on time. They envisioned a platform that could deliver groceries almost instantly, creating a superior customer experience. Zepto's business model is centered around quick commerce, often called Q-commerce, which focuses on delivering small quantities of goods within a very short time frame. Zepto operates through a network of dark stores, small warehouses strategically placed in densely populated areas. These dark stores stock a limited range of high-demand products, allowing for rapid order fulfillment. By focusing on a limited set of high-rotation products, Zepto optimizes inventory management and reduces picking time. Zepto partners with local delivery agents who use optimized routes powered by AI to ensure orders reach customers within 10 minutes. Zepto's success heavily relies on its advanced technology infrastructure, which enables it to operate efficiently at lightning speed. AI algorithms predict demand and adjust inventory in real time, minimizing the chances of stockouts. Machine learning also helps optimize delivery routes, reducing delivery times. Zepto's order management system, OMS, is designed to handle thousands of orders per minute, seamlessly coordinating between inventory, packing, and delivery. Zepto's system is linked directly with dark store inventories, ensuring customers only see products that are in stock, thereby reducing order cancellations. Building Zepto was not without its challenges. The founders had to navigate various hurdles, including logistics complexity. Delivering groceries in under 10 minutes required a robust logistics network, necessitating significant investment in technology and infrastructure. Zepto entered a market dominated by well-established players like BigBasket, Swiggy, and Dunzo. Differentiating itself with ultra-fast delivery was crucial to standing out. The cost of maintaining dark stores, delivery personnel, and ensuring rapid inventory turnover put pressure on Zepto's margins, especially in the early stages. Zepto's marketing approach focused on highlighting its speed. They utilized a mix of digital marketing, influencer partnerships, and word of mouth to create buzz around the brand. The message was clear: Zepto was the go-to platform for instant grocery needs. After proving its concept in Mumbai, Zepto rapidly expanded to other major cities in India, including Delhi, Bengaluru, and Chennai. Each new market presented unique challenges in terms of logistics and customer behavior, but Zepto's adaptable model allowed it to tweak its strategy to fit local demands. Zepto is also exploring sustainable initiatives, such as reducing packaging waste and optimizing delivery routes to minimize carbon footprints. Looking forward, Zepto aims to expand its service offerings beyond groceries, potentially entering new markets and product categories. Zepto's journey is a testament to how innovation, technology, and a customer-first approach can revolutionize an industry. By understanding the needs of the modern urban consumer and leveraging advanced technology, Zepto has built a brand that not only meets but exceeds customer expectations. As it continues to grow, Zepto is poised to redefine the quick commerce landscape in India and potentially beyond. This story of Zepto's creation serves as an inspiration for budding entrepreneurs who wish to challenge the status quo and build something remarkable.